हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम डेटा एंड एल्गोरिदम्स में बात करेंगे अबाउट एनकोडिंग इन कंप्यूटर्स। पर अगेन मेरे पास आप सभी के लिए एक क्वेश्चन है। हाउ डज योर कंप्यूटर नो द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द लेटर ए, द नंबर 5 एंड अ स्माइली इमोजी? कैसे आपका कंप्यूटर समझ पाता है? दिस इज ऑल मेड पॉसिबल विद द हेल्प ऑफ एनकोडिंग। पर एनकोडिंग समझने से पहले हम सबसे पहले बात करेंगे अबाउट कैरेक्टर डेटा इन कंप्यूटर्स। कंप्यूटर प्रोसेसेस डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ कैरेक्टर डेटा, और वो कौन कौन से होते हैं? वी हैव अल्फाबेटिकल कैरेक्टर्स which are capital A to Z and small a to Z. Then we have numerical values. Then we have punctuation, for example exclamation sign, question mark, full stop, etc. Then we have spaces and other symbols on the keyboard, except the function keys like shift or caps lock. And since computers operate using binary, all these character data is stored and processed in binary form. Now let's start and understand about encoding and decoding. Let's talk about encoding first. Encoding in computers refers to the process of organizing a string of characters like letters, numbers, punctuations and symbols into a specific format. Then we can use it for faster data transmission and efficient archiving. After this, let's talk about decoding. Decoding is the process of converting encoded data back to its original format, and it ensures that proper interpretation and retrieval of information is being made. Now, after understanding encoding and decoding, we will look at common character encodings, and there are three types of character encodings. First one is ASCII. It is used for basic English characters and symbols. Next one is ISCII. It supports Indian scripts like Devanagari, Tamil, etc. And then we have Unicode. It is a global standard that covers characters from almost all languages. चलिए अब हम इन तीनों को डिटेल में देख लेते हैं। सबसे पहले हम बात करेंगे अबाउट ASCII. ASCII का फुल फॉर्म होता है अमेरिकन स्टैंडर्ड कोड फॉर इंफॉर्मेशन इंटरचेंज. It is a character encoding standard that assigns numerical values to characters. Also, it helps computers represent and process text efficiently. अब हम बात करेंगे कि ASCII काम कैसे करता है. Here, each character like letters, numbers, symbols is linked to a unique ASCII code, and also these codes help the computer store and process character data in binary form. Now let's look at the examples of ASCII codes. Here, uppercase A, इसका ASCII कोड होता है 65, then लोअर केस A का ASCII कोड होता है 97, and then स्पेस कैरेक्टर का ASCII कोड होता है 32, and एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क का ASCII कोड होता है 33. ये कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स हैं ASCII कोड्स के. Now we will see why is ASCII important. Here, first point is that it standardizes text representation across different computer systems and devices. And next point is that it forms the basis for other encoding standards like Unicode. ASCII समझने के बाद अब हम बात करेंगे about ISCII. ISCII का फुल फॉर्म होता है Indian Script Code for Information Interchange. It is a character encoding scheme which is designed for Indian scripts and symbols. Also, it defines syllable boundaries for words in Indian scripts. Now we will talk कि ISCII कैसे काम करता है. It supports scripts like Devanagari, Bengali, Gujarati, Gurumukhi, Kannada, Malayalam, Odia, Tamil, Telugu and more. After looking this, we will talk about कि इसका क्यों important है. It also standardizes text representation for multiple Indian languages and it ensures that accurate text interchange across different systems and platforms is there. Also, it facilitates compatibility for digital communication in Indian languages. Now, after understanding ISKAI, we will understand about Unicode. It assigns a unique number to every character across all languages and scripts. It supports English, French, Greek, Korean and many more languages simultaneously. Now let's talk about कि Unicode कैसे काम करता है. Unicode is backward compatible with ASCII. जो first 128 code points होते हैं वो identical है ASCII से और जो बाद के 128 code points हैं these correspond to extended ASCII set. Next we will talk about कि Unicode क्यों important है. It supports all global languages and it accommodates new characters as languages evolve. Also, it enables seamless communication and data interchange worldwide. Next, we will talk about कि encoding और encryption में क्या difference है. Encoding and decoding, it focuses on data formatting for efficient storage and transmission, while encryption and decryption aims to secure data and conceal content for protection. और इन दोनों के बीच में main difference क्या है? Encoding is for formatting data, while encryption hides data to protect it. Now, after understanding encoding and encryption also, it is time for your task. You have to research the history, development and significance of ASCII, ISCAI and Unicode. Also, compare these encoding systems based on these following criteria. First one is year of development. Then we have number of characters supported. Then we have supported languages and scripts. Then key features and then we have practical application. Now, enjoy doing this task. We will meet in the next session. Till then, happy learning.